So I'm now in the Strudel house in Hungary and just watching how strudel is made. So the fellow here he's cut up the apple, he's now adding some sugar, and the dough is rolled out. But in this strudel house they have an incredible variety of strudel. So have a look, you can see where the dough is all rolled out here. And now it's going to start spreading out the apple. Not sure what this is, might be water, be oil actually.
Pero yo sin tener aerero pasado y me encanta cosa más. Venga, dicho, 1, 2, 3. Eso es de guapa. Eso es de Ramazzotti. A que valió la pena ya la llama. Claro que
Into the oven it goes. So if you get the chance to come here, these are a few of the varieties of strudel which you can try. You can see here they have strudel with apple, strudel with poppy seeds. You also have pumpkin and poppy seeds over the back there, sour cherry with poppy seeds. Then you've got makosh with poppy seeds, silver plums. So plums, makosh is poppy seeds, sure enough. Apricot, sour cherry. You've also got apricot again. So anyway, as we said, this is called the Strudel House. We're in Budapest. And as you can see, very nice little spot to come and spend half an hour.